Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about comparison of two fractions that are like fraction or unlike fraction. It's not important that it is like or unlike. If I write 1 upon 5 and we want to compare it by 2 upon 7, so they are like fraction. If we want to compare 13 upon 3 and 15 upon 7, they also unlike fraction, they also unlike fraction. If we want to compare unlike fractions and if we want to compare like fractions, 1 upon 2 and 4 upon 2, both are like fractions. So how to compare that fraction? What we compare in these, who is greater? Compare क्या करना है आपको? In these fractions, what is which fraction is greater? So in this, if we want to find which fraction is greater, then here we will do cross multiplication. How we will do cross multiplication? We multiply 1 by 7 and 5 by 2. So 1 7 ja 1 multiply by 7 or 5 multiply by 2. Then 7 1 ja 7, 5 2 ja 10. Remember that always numerator at same place, but denominator can be multiplied opposite side. So here we got it 7 or 10, but 7 is less than the 10, so we put sign here. This denoted, open side denoted, it is this number is greater and this number will be less. So from this sign we got it 1 upon 5 is less than 2 upon 7. How we will do? See again. First we will do cross multiplication. If we want to compare two fractions, then first we will do cross multiplication. Then multiplication over we got it 1 7 ja 7 and 5 2 ja 10. If we see here, then 7 is less than by 10. 7 is less than 10. So we say 1 upon 5 is less than 2 upon 7. If we compare like fraction, it is unlike fraction. If we compare like fractions, then again we do cross multiplication, then 2 multiply by 1 and 4 multiply by 2. Then 2 1 ja 2, 4 2 ja 8. So 2 is less than 8. 2 is less than 8. So fraction 1 upon 2 is less than 4 upon 2. If you see, then we can cancel out also here. We got it 2 upon 1. So 1 upon 2 is always less than 2 upon 1. Understand? We will take some more examples, like if we take 6 upon 11, if we take 6 upon 11 and 13 upon 7. Now if we want to compare both fractions, then here also we will do cross multiplication. Then cross multiplications are 6 multiply by 7 and 11 multiply by 13. So 6 7 ja 42 and 11 3 ja 33, carry 3, 11 1 ja 11 or 3 14. Here we got it 143 is greater than 42. So we will put this sign, and here we got it 6 upon 11 is less than 13 upon 7. Next These are the comparison of two fraction. If we have two fraction, they are like, unlike, proper, improper, that not matter. ये आपका मैटर नहीं करता कि फ्रैक्शन आपका कौन सा है, लाइक, अनलाइक, ओके. बट from this method we can compare only two fractions. If we want to compare more than two fractions, then how we will do? See here. If we want to compare 3 upon 5, 4 upon 15, 9 upon 25 and 7 upon 20. If we want to compare these four fractions, otherwise we can also say if we want to arrange in ascending or descending order. Ascending or descending, it means first lowest value, then highest value. If we write here smallest, then highest, otherwise we write here maximum value first, then lower value. So ascending order always says that first we write lowest value, then we will write highest value. It means order will be increased. But in descending order, first we write maximum value, then we write lowest value. So first we write maximum, its opposite. Here we write maximum value and last one value is lowest value. In this first we write lowest value, but at last here we write maximum value. So in the ascending order, and descending order, we have first lowest, then maximum, it's called ascending. If we write first maximum, last lowest, then it is called descending order. So how we will convert, how we will compare, how we will arrange these questions? First we take LCM of the denominator. Here denominators are 5, 15, 25 and 20. Then how we will take LCM? 5, 15, 25 and 20. If we take LCM, then first we will divide by 2, 5 as it is, 15 as it is, 25 as it is. Here we got it 10. Again we divide by 2, 5 as it is, 15 as it is, 25 as it is, and here we got it 5. Now we will divide by 3, 5, 5, 25, then 5. Again we divide by 5, 1, 1, 5, 1. Now we will divide by 5, then we got it 1, 1, 1 and 1. So here first we divide one prime factor, starting prime factor our is 2, next prime factor 3, then 5, then 7, then 11, then 13 up to so on. So these are the prime factor numbers. So first we divide prime number by, it is 2, then 20 divisible by 2 10 times, again 10 divisible by 2 5 times. Now we will divide by 3, 15 is divisible by 3 5 times, again we divide by 5 and 5. So our LCM is 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 3 multiply 2 multiply by 2. 5 5 ja 25, 25 3 ja 75, 2 ja 150 or 2 ja 300. So here we got it, LCM is 300. Now all of these numbers are divided by 300. How? See here, if we have 3 upon 5, now in the denominator we want to convert 300. So 300 divided by 5, then we got it 5 6 ja 30, 0 on that side 60. So here we multiply both numbers, numerator and denominator, by 60, then we got it 6 3 ja 180 upon 300. It means in these fractions, all the fractions we convert at denominator is 300. Now next 15, if we divide 300 by 15, then 15 2 ja 30, 0 again here, then we got it 20. So second number 4 upon 15 multiply by 20 and 20. In this both numbers are multiplied by 20 and 20. Why? Because 15 we divide by 300, then we got it 20 times. So both numbers are multiplied by 20, then 24 ja 80 and 20 15 ja 300. Next 9 upon 25. If 300 divided by 25, then 25 1 ja 25, remaining 5, next 0, 25 2 ja 50. So both numbers are multiplied by 12, 12 9 ja 108 and 12 25 ja 300. Next 20, then again we divide 300 by 20, then 21 ja 20, remaining 10, 0, 25 ja 100. So here we got it 15, then both numbers are multiplied by 15. 15 7 ja 105 upon 300. Again see, here we want to compare these numbers in ascending or descending order. Here we want to compare these numbers in fraction form. Numbers are in fraction form, so we say these fractions into the ascending or descending order. So first we take LCM of these denominator. Here denominators are 5, 15, 25 and 20. So if we take LCM of these denominator, then we got it LCM is 300. What we got it? LCM is 300. So if we divide one by one each denominator, if we divide 300 by first denominator 5, then we got it 60. So multiply 60 by first fraction to numerator and denominator both. Then we got it 180 upon 300. Second, again we divide second denominator by 300, 300 by second denominator, then we got it 20. So 24 ja 80 and 20 15 ja 300. Next 25, if we divide 300 by 25 next denominator, then we got it 12, then 12 25 ja 300, 9 12 ja 108. Again 20, then 20 divided by 300, then we got it 15. So 20 15 ja 300, 15 7 ja 105. Now here we want to compare, then we will see these all are in like fraction. Why? Because these denominator are same. So from this method we can also convert unlike fractions into the like fraction. Okay. So if we want to arrange, then in ascending order, first we write lowest value. So here 80 is the lowest value, then we write 80 upon 300. Then after that 105. Next 108. Next 180 upon 300. But here we want to write fractions. So 80 upon 300 we got it by the fraction of 4 upon 15. 105 upon 300 we got it by the fraction 7 upon 20. 108 we got it by 9 upon 25. And 180 we got it by 3 upon 5. So arrangement of these fractions in the ascending order is this. If we want to arrange in descending order, then first we write 3 upon 5 highest value, then 9 upon 25, then 7 upon 20, then 4 upon 15. Okay. Let's we take some more example. Like if we take 4 upon 3, 5 upon 4, 7 upon 2 and 9 upon 6. Here we not write 9, here we take 11 upon 6. Okay. So again we take 4 numbers. Here not compulsory that numbers are 4 or fractions are 4, 5. Fractions will be 6, 7 or 8 also. But if we want to compare these fractions in ascending or descending order, if we arrange these fractions in ascending or descending order, then how we will do? First we take denominators and LCM of denominators. Then LCM of denominators, first denominator 3, second 4, third 2 or fourth 6. So first prime number is 2, then we divide all numbers by 2, 3, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2 or 2 3 ja 6. Again we divide by 2, then we got it 3, 1, 1 and 3. Again we divide by 3, then 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja or 3 1 ja 3. So finally we got it 2, 2 and 3. Then LCM is 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12. We multiply all numbers, then we got it LCM is 12. Now if we convert these fractions into like fraction, their denominator is 12. So how we will convert? First we convert 4 upon 3, then divide by denominator to the LCM. So 12 divided by 3, we got it 4 times. So we multiply this numerator and denominator by 4, then 4 4 ja 16, 4 3 ja 12. Again second fraction 5 upon 4. If we convert in like fractions, then 12 divided by denominator of this fraction is 4. So 4 3 ja 12. Then we multiply this numerator and denominator by 3. Then 5 3 ja 15 or 4 3 ja 12. Third fraction is 7 upon 2. If we divide 12 by 2, then 2 6 ja 12. Then we multiply numerator and denominator by 6. So 6 7 ja 42 and 6 2 ja 12. Okay. Third fraction it is 11 upon 6. Then we divide 6 by 12. How many times? 2 times. 6 2 ja 12. So we multiplied denominator and numerator by 2. Then 11 2 ja 22 and 6 2 ja 12. Now if we want to arrange this fraction into the descending order, then in descending order, first we write highest value. So we compare the numerator, then here we will see highest value is 42 upon 12. After that its lowest is 22, then 16, then 15. But here we write fractions. So 42 upon 12 we got it by 7 upon 2. Then here we write 7 upon 2. Here 22 upon 12 we got it by 11 upon 6. 16 upon 12 we got it by 4 upon 3. And 15 upon 12 we got it by 5 upon 4. So from this method we can arrange any number of fractions into the ascending or descending order. Okay. Now if we want to find some parts of a quantity, like if we want to find 1 upon 7 of 63. If we want to find some part of the quantity, our next question is we want to find some part of the quantity. Then 1 upon 7 of the 63, it means 1 upon 7 of will be converted in multiplication, then we write 63. So 7 9 ja 63, then we got it 9 1 ja 9. So 1 upon 7 of the 63 is 9. Second question, similar to first, if we want to find 4 upon 5th part of 65, then 4 upon 5 of will be converted in multiply, then 65, then 5 13 ja 65 or 13 4 ja 52. So our answer is 52. So using these property or these example of questions, you will do complete exercise 5th B in your books. Okay students, do complete exercise 5th B of your book in your notebook and submit your assignment also. Thank you students.